Good morning and welcome back to Higgsy Bear Outdoors. Today I'm going to be reviewing a 16-piece camping and cookware set that I managed to purchase for under £35. So let's take a look. So I bought this about a week or so ago from Amazon. It's made by Oderland, whoever they are. I think it's a cheap generic Chinese product. It looks very similar to some of the other well-known brands that you can get out there. But anyway, let's take a look, see what you get for your money. The set comes with this burner, which fits into this container. The burner also has a piezo switch on it, which is handy. It also comes with two small metal mugs, a 1 litre pot, an 800ml pot, two smaller size pots. It also comes with two pairs of foldable cutlery, two cleaning cloths, and a mesh carry bag. The pack is 18 centimetres tall by about 15 centimetres wide and weighs in at 890 grams. So for me personally, I won't be taking the mugs in the pack, and I also won't be taking the foldable cutlery. Just having a look at these are really flimsy. I think they're just going to be a waste of time. They're going to break. So I'll take my own stuff there. By taking those pieces out of the set, it actually allows you to put in a 230 gram gas canister in their place, which I think is a really useful solution actually. So what about the quality? Well, as you can expect from a very cheap set, the quality isn't the best. There are a few scratches on the metal, I guess, where you put everything back together. You've got the handles that are silicone, as one would expect. One thing I did note, though, is that the burner does look very durable, and we'll have a look at that in a minute. And as I said before, don't even bother with the cutlery set that comes with it. It's just really flimsy, just doesn't feel very good at all, and I think you're just going to cause issues and frustrations with yourself. Just chuck that stuff away and don't even bother, just take your own stuff. So let's take a look at how we put this together. So if we start with the burner, we need to make sure that the valve is in the closed position, and we do that by twisting the lever all the way to the right. And then we can take our gas canister and we simply screw it on like this. Okay, now we need to fan out the pot stands like so. To ignite it, what we need to do is just turn anti-clockwise and press the ignition button. So let's now see how quickly it will boil 500 mils of water. Okay, so let's turn it on. Okay, we're going. And what we can also do to speed up this is we can put one of the smaller lids on top. So in that test, that took the burner just over 5 minutes to boil half a litre of water. Now bear in mind that this is an indoor test as well. So let's have a look at some of the pros for this cooking set. I think the obvious one is the price point. That 16-piece set comes in at just under £35, which is fantastic value for money. I think if you were to buy a similar product from a well-known brand, then you're probably looking to double or sometimes even triple that cost as well. So this is perfect for beginners or people that want to have backup kits. Another point to mention is that because it's 16 pieces, you've pretty much got everything that you need for camping. And when I say camping, probably wild camping, not sort of family or longer camping trips. I mentioned earlier as well that the burner is very durable. It's got the ignition switch as well, which is really, really handy because you don't have to take any other equipment with you. to light it. Time will tell how long that will last. You should get some decent usage out of that. It just feels a lot more sturdier than the BRS Ultralight that I reviewed a couple of weeks ago. So what are some of the cons then? Well, primarily it's going to be around durability. I've already mentioned that the handles don't feel strong enough. I think they will break if you're not careful. The silicone on there also isn't very thick, so please be careful when you are picking the pots up when they are hot. The metal has scratched. The cutlery that comes with the set as well is just no good. Don't even bother taking it with you, just invest in something else. So overall, I think that this cooking set is a really good deal. It's great value for money, and you get quite a lot for that money as well. I mean, it's ideal if you're just starting out because you don't need to spend £40 on a burner or, 40, £50 on the titanium pots. These will do it. They will boil water. They will cook food. So it depends what kind of application that you're looking for. If you're looking for entry level, or indeed you've got a certain budget, then this is perfect for you. No complaints there. So I'll put a link to the product in the description box below. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if you have, and also remember to subscribe to this channel as well. So we'll see you next time. Take care and bye-bye.